What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, in today's episode, we're going to talk about a credit monitoring service called Identity Club and all the awesome features it includes, like how much it costs and why you need to enroll today. Now, as some of you may already know, credit monitoring can definitely help you keep track of changes on your credit reports and alert you when there's new activity and help you protect against fraud. It also helps you identify and correct errors on your credit report, which we all know help improve your credit scores over time. Now, credit monitoring is important for everyone, so even if you're not in my credit restoration program, you can definitely benefit from using this service. One of the first things that really impressed me about Identity Club is how easy it is to navigate through their website. And although they don't have an app, their website is mobile friendly, which means you don't have to be on a desktop or a laptop computer to access your credit reports and scores. Identity Club provides reports and scores for all three major credit bureaus, which are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. They also use a VantageScore 3.0 scoring model, and you get your money, credit, identity all in one interactive place. Plus, you get a score tracker, a score builder, and a score master. Now, Score Tracker helps you monitor and protect your credit scores and bank accounts. Score Builder helps you learn what is helping or hurting your credit score. And Score Master gives you the ultimate control over your future credit score, which help you determine the best time to apply for credit and how much your payments should be to boost your credit scores. And the best way to spend your money with minimal credit score impact. You also get the credit scores, auto scores, insurance scores, and a hiring risk index. Identity Club also features a new innovative way to display your credit report. It has a quick slide navigation system which allows you to interact directly with your creditors by using the action buttons. It also has a zoom feature to see more credit details along with your daily transactions that ultimately compromise of the information reported by your credit reporting agency. To receive the maximum benefit of your smart credit report, make sure to add all of your online banking accounts to your Money Manager. Now, speaking of Money Manager, this is actually one of my favorite features in Identity Club. This lets you view individual transactions, monthly statements, and payment due dates, updated every day, all in one place. Your monthly statements, individual transactions have action buttons attached to them so that you can ask questions or even resolve issues such as reporting fraudulent transactions. As an added bonus, you also have $1 million in identity fraud insurance, which covers your entire family residing in your household. So your bank, savings, brokerage, lines of credit, credit cards, and more, and your cash out-of-pocket expenses incurred during your ID recovery. Now, last but not least, how much this is actually cost. The premium membership, which includes your smart credit report, 3 bureau report and scores, score tracker, score builder, score master, credit monitoring alerts, $1 million in identity fraud insurance, Money Manager, and action buttons cost just $24.95 a month. But they're offering all of my subscribers a discounted rate of $21.95 per month, and all you need to do is sign up with my link below. And the best part is that you can sign up for a 7-day free trial period for just $1 before signing up to make sure that Identity Club is definitely right for you. That being said, guys, make sure to check the link in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and until the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit, peace.